For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a garment business has always been a blend of creativity, planning, and execution. With today's advancements in free AI tools, many of the startup costs and complexities can be reduced, enabling even small entrepreneurs to launch a professional and competitive venture. In this guide, you'll learn how to use free AI technologies to help you plan, design, manufacture, market, and sell garments. Each step will show you how to take action and include suggested prompt text you can copy and use directly in ChatGPT or similar AI tools. Step 1. Define your garment niche and brand identity. Begin by deciding which segment of the garment industry you want to enter: sportswear, children's clothes, business attire, eco-friendly fashion, or custom streetwear. Your niche defines your audience, pricing, and marketing tone. Once you select a niche, develop your brand identity, including your brand story, logo concept, and values. Use ChatGPT to help brainstorm your niche and brand elements. Try this prompt. Act as a fashion branding expert. I want to start a garment business. Suggest 5 unique niche ideas. And for the best one, create a brand story, target audience profile, and list of brand values. You can also use Loca, https://loca.com, a free AI logo generator to develop brand visuals and color palettes. Its function is to help you generate logos based on your preferences, which you can later refine. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A business plan is your roadmap. It outlines your vision, market analysis, competitive edge, product line, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. With ChatGPT, you can easily draft a professional business plan. Use this prompt. I want to start a garment business selling eco-friendly activewear online. Please create a full business plan, including executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, product line, and financial projections. ChatGPT will return a structured plan you can tweak and expand upon. You can then plug it into Google Docs for formatting and easy sharing with partners or investors. Step 3. Design your first collection using free AI tools. Once your concept is clear, you'll need to design your garments. Tools like Wizard, https://uwizard.io, or Figma, https://figma.com, can help with fashion sketching and layout design. Wizard uses AI to turn sketches or text into digital prototypes. You can describe your clothing ideas, and the tool helps convert them into visual designs. You can also use this ChatGPT prompt. Describe and sketch 5 designs for a women's summer streetwear collection that features oversized silhouettes and pastel tones. Include fabric suggestions and design features. For even more detailed visual aids, use Canva's AI-powered design suite, which offers templates for lookbooks, product tags, and mood boards. Step 4. Source materials and find manufacturing options. With your designs ready, the next step is sourcing materials. Use ChatGPT to locate suppliers and manufacturers. Try this prompt. List 10 reliable wholesale fabric suppliers for cotton and linen, preferably offering eco-friendly materials. Include websites and locations. You can also ask, what are the best free directories to find small batch clothing manufacturers for startup fashion brands? Some good platforms include Makers Row, Alibaba, and Thomasnet, which list suppliers you can contact directly. Ask for samples and compare quality and pricing. Step 5. Set up your online store using AI tools. You don't need to be a coder to launch a professional-looking store. Free tools like Wix and Shopify offer AI website builders that ask you a few questions and automatically generate a custom website layout. Shopify's AI tool, for instance, can write your homepage copy, product descriptions, and SEO tags. To generate engaging copy, use this ChatGPT prompt. Write an engaging product description for a unisex, oversized hoodie made from organic cotton. Highlight its comfort, sustainability, and urban style appeal. Also use Shopify Magic or Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, to automatically write your About page, create blog content, and set up a newsletter pop-up. Step 6. Create a marketing plan and social media content using AI. Marketing is essential for growth. Use ChatGPT to draft a complete marketing strategy. Use this prompt. Create a 3-month marketing plan for launching a sustainable streetwear brand online, including social media, email, influencer outreach, and content ideas. For social media content, use Canva's AI tools to generate reels, stories, and ad creatives. You can also use ChatGPT to write captions, such as, write 10 Instagram captions promoting an eco-friendly fashion line with a fun and confident tone. For emails, platforms like MailChimp offer free plans with AI-powered subject line suggestions and campaign templates. Step 7. Launch and promote your brand. With everything in place, products, website, marketing, it's time to launch. Create a launch countdown campaign using social media, email blasts, and influencer collaborations. Ask ChatGPT to help plan this using. Create a launch week content calendar for a new fashion brand, including Instagram posts, emails, blog topics, and influencer outreach messages. AI tools like Buffer and Later help you schedule and automate posts across Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, ensuring consistent engagement. Step 8. Gather feedback and improve. After launch, it's vital to analyze what's working. Use Google Analytics and social media insights to track user behavior, traffic sources, and conversion rates. You can also use ChatGPT to help interpret data. Try this. I have 500 website visitors, 40 added to cart, but only 5 purchased. What are some possible reasons for this drop-off, and how can I fix it? Also, ask customers for reviews and feedback via email or post-purchase surveys. ChatGPT can help you write these messages. Write a polite email requesting customer feedback 2 weeks after their first purchase. Conclusion. Starting a garment business used to be capital-intensive, but today, with the help of free AI tools, anyone with creativity and drive can build a successful fashion brand. From branding and design to marketing and sales, AI can assist you at every step, cutting time and cost while elevating your professionalism. All it takes is the right prompts, a strong vision, and the discipline to follow through. Whether you're sketching your first hoodie or launching a full collection, your fashion business can now start with nothing more than a laptop, internet, and a free AI assistant. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.